A restored irrigation canal system is now delivering water to more than 12,000 acres of farmland in northern Utah's Cache Valley. After more than 3 years of planning and construction, the delivery of agricultural irrigation water was celebrated at a springtime media event and tour in Logan. A catastrophic landslide in July of 2009 resulted in the failure of a canal system that has kept much of Cache Valley green and productive for generations. Cache County officials and the Natural Resources Conservation Service immediately began an effort to restore the canal system, using funds provided by the Federal Emergency Watershed Protection Program and the local sponsors. The speakers at this event viewed this milestone achievement as positive.
It's really hard for me to express the joy that our shareholders feel at the water returning to them. Those canals are our lifeblood out there. Our shareholders have suffered for over 3 years, receiving 30% less income based on the water they've received. Last year was a drought year, and it was tough on them. And it was heartbreaking and heart-wrenching as a representative of those shareholders to look at their ground and see that hay burning, see their grain burning, and to imagine how they were going to hold 5-generation farms into the next generation. Well, at this point, we look ahead, and what they built, what Whitaker's built, and JUB helped design along with MWH and all those people, and the NRCS, hats off. We look ahead now, and 100 years from now, our children will be looking back and going, thank God they built that system the way they did. Our communities, USU is where it's at because the canals were put there. The cities have developed because the canals were there. Never underestimate how much impact those canals have had. And the future of this county is completely shaped by the water that flows through them.
Our environmental impact statement, that's the work that went in for, what, 1.5 years before the project ever got rolling. You know, we spent $1.2 million just studying this project before we did it. Now, some people might look at that and say, what a grand waste of government money. But when you spend $24 million for a project, a $1.2 million investment in getting it right is, in my opinion, very much worth the effort. This project, because of the efficiency of the canal, will save 7,400 acre-feet of water per year. So, huge accomplishment. That water is now available for, for municipal growth, for all kinds of other things. So, just another benefit of the project. And along with that water savings, we've got about a 1.2 miles of the Logan River that will actually flow water during the summer months. So we've got a live river once again. But this particular project, again, with the help of our construction contractors and partners and our local leadership, this project's going to come in $2.5 million under budget, and a year ahead of schedule.
Years from now, this water will be helping to take care of the needs of the citizens in these areas on the north end of the valley. Again, I'm thankful for those who've sacrificed their time, their emotions, and in some cases, their relationships with family members, neighbors, and others who've been involved who see things a little bit differently. And I appreciate the standing up for what I feel is right in making this project happen. Again, I'm thankful for you being here and those of you who've been involved in this project. It's been great to be part of it, and it's great to see it, again, in my mind, finished. We have the landscaping to do and a few other things, but in my mind, the water's flowing, and that's the important part.
This is the intake structure for the canal. It's been designed to prevent fish and fry from being able to get into the canal so that they can stay in the river, and as well be able to create a path for the fish to move downstream. We've also, in this structure, provided a way to keep the river wet all the way down to the bottom, where before this project, from here down the canal, the river was always dry. You couldn't fish it.